Today's lesson 2.5, reviewing the think big, count small strategy. Now let's take a look at this domino. How could you use the count on strategy to figure out the total number of dots? We start counting from the big number. We use the bigger number and count on using the smaller number. So for example, with this domino, we have 6. Count on 1. It will give us 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is very easy to add up numbers starting from the bigger number. Now let's take a look at this dominoes, the 3 dominoes. In what order would you add the dots on these dominoes? We start from the bigger number and count on to 1. This one, we start from the bigger number here and start counting on 2. We start counting the bigger number 9 and count on by 2. Now let's go on to the workout. Number 1, write the numeral to show each number of dots, then circle the number that is greater. So here we have 2. We write 2 here, and here we have 5. 2 and 5, which number is greater? Good job, it is 5. So we write 5. We circle 5. Part B, we have 1 here, so we write 1. We have 8 here, so we circle 8. Because 8 is greater than 1. Part C, we have 7 and 3. 7 is greater than 3, so we circle 7. Now let's go on to number 2. Number 2, start with the greatest number, count on the smaller number, then write the total. Part A, we have 2 and 6. Excuse me. So 6, we start from the greater number 6 and count on 7, 8. We have 8 here. Part B, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. 3, 4. Number 3. Figure out the total number of dots. Write an equation to show the best order to add the dots. So for 3A, we write the bigger number, which is 4, and the smaller number, 1. So 4, 5. We write the bigger number 6 and the smaller number 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. We write the bigger number here, 9, plus 1. 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Circle the number that you say first to figure out the total. Then complete the equation. So for part A, 4 is greater than 2. So we circle the number we say first and count on 4, 5, 6. Part B, 7 is a greater number. 7, 8. Part C, 3 is a greater number. 8 is a greater number. So we count on by 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So we circle 8. Part D, 5 is a greater number and count on 5, 6. 6 is a greater number. 6, 7. 9 is the number you say and count on, which is 9. Now let's take a look at practice 2.5. Practice 2.5, number 1. Start with the greater number, count on the smaller number, then write the total. Part A, so 7 here and 3. We start with the greater number. 7, 8, 9, 10. Part B, 8, 9. Part C, 5 is a greater number. 5, 6, 7. Part D, 8, 9, 10. Part E, 6, 7. 3, 4. 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 9, 10. Now for number 2, draw a line to join each domino to the equation that shows the best order to add the dots. So for number 1, the best order is 6, the greater number, and 3, which is a 6 plus 3 equals 9. So we'll draw a line. So the greater number for the next one is 4 and 2. 4 and 2. And the greater number here is 5. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. So there you have it for the practice. Now